Hello everyone, welcome to Back Tech Product. In today's video, I will show you the best bicycle phone holder. Meet the Joyroom JRZS395, made to keep your phone safe, your hands free, and your ride stress-free. Let's get started. Product features: double locking structure for stability. Equipped with dual locks plus silicone wrapping, this holder grips your phone tightly even on bumpy roads. It reduces worry about drops, letting you focus on the ride and the view without fear. No camera obstruction. Designed so the camera stays free, no cover or block. You can capture routes, snap photos, or record journeys while riding safely. Perfect for adventurers who want memories, not missed moments. Quick and easy installation. Mount it in seconds with one hand. Inserting or removing your phone is just as fast. Ideal for cycling commuters or those who switch bikes often. Convenience before and after every ride. Wide compatibility. Fits phones from 4.7 to 7.0 inches, even with cases on. And can clamp onto handlebars 15 to 40 millimeters in diameter. Whether road bike, mountain bike, or e-bike, this holder adapts to your setup. 360-degree rotation for flexible viewing. Rotate your phone freely, landscape or portrait, whichever suits the ride or the map. Adjusting angles helps avoid glare, improve visibility, and get directions without taking your eyes off the road. Triangular stable wrap design. The triangular support frame, combined with silicone contact points, reduces vibration and keeps your phone steady. Bumps, gravel, speed, it stays secure, helping you ride with confidence. Pros: strong grips plus silicone wrapping equals phone stays safe. Camera stays unblocked, record your ride. Fast mounting and removal with one hand. Fits many phone sizes plus handlebar types. Full 360-degree adjustability for best view. Design reduces vibration, smoother ride. Cons: very large or bulky phone cases may reduce grip tightness. Some handlebars have non-standard shapes, may need minor adjustment. Extreme vibration, very rough trails may still transmit some motion. Silicone parts can collect dust and require occasional cleaning. Rotation joints may become looser over long, heavy use. Final thoughts. For cyclists who want freedom and peace of mind, the Joyroom JRZS395 bicycle phone holder hits a sweet spot. Stability, massive compatibility, ease of use, and thoughtful design, these features make outings safer and more enjoyable. Yes, very rugged trails challenge everything, and cases cleaning matter, but if you ride regularly, this is a reliable companion that keeps your phone accessible and secure. Ride safer, enjoy every journey. Check the price link in the description. Subscribe to Tech Product and like this video so you never miss gear that helps make your rides better. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, ride free.